Lung 3 is located on your upper arm. To find lung 3, find the bottom of your armpit, which is right over here. Now the find point that is the width of 4 fingers below that, right here. Now, you're going to be on your biceps muscle. Come around the bicep muscle till you're in a little groove or depression between the biceps muscle and the bone of your upper arm. Push in there to find the point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 3. Activate this point by rubbing the air quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, which is an acupressure instrument, it might look like this. Now find and activate lung 3 on your other arm.